They both could have
Okay,
been
now
in
we're going.
prison.
What you got, Jazzy?
A bug.
Let's see. Wow. Do you know what kind of bug that is? It's called a potato bug.
Yeah.
He's really big, isn't he? Put it this way.
Yeah.
See?
Yeah. It
Wow.
looks like he's eating.
He's what?
It looks like he's eating.
Yeah. He's as big as your hand is.
Yeah, like this.
Yeah.
He's bigger.
He's bigger. Are you going to take it home and show Mommy and Daddy?
I think you're afraid of these.
You think so?
Yeah.
We could put it in a jar and you could take it home. You want to do that?
Yeah.
So you can
think
show
he would
Mommy?
get in trouble.
Huh?
Why, it's dead.
It's still a bug.
They wouldn't
You can't.
care.
You
Wouldn't even know it. Wouldn't even have to see it.
Yeah.
But if they X-rays the thing, they might.
Wow, that's
I know
pretty
you can't take
awesome.
fruit and stuff over the state line
But
because
it's
they're worried
dead.
about bugs.
It's dead.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Took you forever to pick it up, huh?
Yeah.
Let's see its face. Wow.
His face is a potato. Right?
Right, it's a potato bug. He eats potatoes.
And how come he did? How come he's dead?
Because the ants ate him.
Right.
I don't know, maybe they got hungry.
And we only live so long, and then heaven calls us back home.
All of the ants eat little things too, like little crickets too.
Yes. Just like we eat stuff.
That sounds pretty
survive.
bright, huh, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
I'm recording
Look at
you.
his head. His really,
Maybe we should try to put that carpet
his
It's
head is
almost-
really soft.
this way.
Yeah.
We could do that.
His
How do you
head
want to
is-
put it up, Mom?
I never have said he's got any rope or something, I guess.
I think he used all the rope on this thing.